Alright, one last part for this whole project, how to make the presentation file to drop in here. We have to click on New, Presentation, Create View, make sure you have the part that you're looking for, click on Tweak Components, and from here, as long as you have something flat, you can stick this on. It'll give you a vector, X, Y, and Z. It's going to default to move things on the Z, so you can click and drag and that's what it would move. I'm actually going to select two things at once. I click on the first one, click and drag on the second one. I want to drag the linkage pegs out, hit clear. I want to do the same thing for the linkage arm, for the two wheels. Oh, and here's one of those cases where I didn't mean to do that. You have to, well, you should practice taking things out in the same order that it makes sense to take them out. So if you're actually physically taking this apart, you would take the big screws out before you take the wheels off. Okay, now I want to move on the x-axis, so I can change it here or by clicking on it. I want to drag this out of the top. I want to move the next one the y-axis. I want to click and drag my cow catcher off the front of this. Rotate around just a little, and let's see, I want to remove that first, and then the magnet, the linkage peg and the linkage magnet. And I'm going to finish off by doing the exact same thing to the other side. So you click, again you have to hit clear between everything, drop your vector down, oh, almost did the same thing again. It's hard to see those, huh? Okay, so now this is completely pulling apart. If I go back to my home view and I hit animate, change this to something small like 5, hit apply, and then play, it'll show how you would assemble this whole thing together. Okay, make sure you save this. Say miniature train sounds good. Do you want to save all of these things too? Yes to all. Click OK. Now we go back to this view, say place views, base. Since we were just on the presentation view, that's the most current, switch it to the current view, make sure it has the shading turned on, and I think I'm actually going to move this other drawing over to this side and let this take up most of the room. And I could have dragged these out a little further or made it look a little different, but you get the idea. Click on view, click on annotate and balloon, and now that we have the parts list, this is automatically going to label what all the different pieces are, so long as you click and tell where to put the arrows. So you have to say where on the part you're going to put the arrow, where to put the balloon, right click and hit continue. let's see here. We don't, oh, we do have wheels. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and there's 9 of these items here. This tells you how many of each item you have. This looks mostly done to me. The only thing I'm missing is a scale. So I'm going to click on here. I'm going to say show your scale and click OK. And that's it. That's all you need for the entire project. Good luck.